Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how you could put photos in the center of a page if you were going to print off a lot and you wanted to print them off on regular paper, an 8.5 by 11 regular printer, and you had multiple pages. I made 5 of them, and doesn't really matter where the picture is or how big it is. So we're going to start right here. Now, in older versions of Corel, these were called macros, but now in later versions, they're called scripts. But they're both under tools, scripts, and start recording. So we need to name it. We're going to call it photo. Now, there's no hurry, but once you do this, select that item. Let's turn it 90 degrees. With our ratio and lock, we're going to go 8 inches by 10.5, and then I'm going to hit P. Then I'm going to go back to Tools, Scripts, and Stop Recording. So now let's go to page 2. Let's select our item. Let's go to Tools, Scripts, and yours might say macros. There's our photo. We're going to double click on it, and it put that picture in there. We'll go to page 3. You've got to select the picture and double click on it. Now we can actually make a hotkey for this. So for the last page, we'll make a hotkey for this. We're going to right click on that macro and say assign a keyboard stroke. And I have a lot being used. There's that one right there. So we're going to type, I'm going to call it alternate P. Luckily, it's not assigned to anything else. And that's just going to tell me photo. I'm going to assign it. And then you've got to go okay. We can actually shut this window down, grab our picture, and go alternate P. And look at that, it put it in the center of the page. Grab your picture, alternate P. Look how much time that saved you. If you have hundreds of pages to do this, and then you could just take this and run it through a printer, and all your pictures are going to be, you can make it to full size, but I would strongly suggest having a little border on it. Anyway, see if something like that doesn't help you, and hope that helped. Thank you for watching.